Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how do you make multiple streams of income from your membership website. It's an important subject. It's something that a lot of people don't think about. We've got a ton of experience at WP-Tonic in helping people in this area. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're looking at making multiple streams of income from your membership website. You know, membership is a great way of making income. You've got ongoing subscription. It does require work, but compared to some other business models, it is totally doable, even if you're in full-time employment. So it's a great way of building a side hustle or building it to a level where you can give up your day job. But having multiple streams from it is a great idea. So I'm just going to go through some of the key ways that you can increase revenue and also add, hopefully, one or two other ways that you probably haven't thought about that are appearing at the end of 2025 and at the beginning of 2026. And let's start off with physical or digital products. You know, the physical projects could be merch, it can be actual books, various physical products that is related to the subject that you're teaching through your membership website, through your courses. Can be a great way of building additional income. So don't dismiss it, because I know some people where that particular area makes a big difference. Now, like I say, it doesn't have to be physical, because it's normally easier to build a library of additional products that you can sell that are digitally based, and you've already had a group of individuals that bought into your course and they've signed up for your newsletter. They're there, they've already spent with you. So it's going to be easier to actually sell them additional digital products. So definitely something to think about. Now, when it comes to the actual membership, what normally we have found, and I have found, the most effective to increase revenue is that you should offer increasing exposure to the trainer, to the person that they've signed up, to get your knowledge to solve a crucial problem that you have marketed to your student base. And normally this is in kind of two steps. You have the built out course or courses. Then you can offer group sessions, masterminds, which you will run, but they're group sessions. And then at the top of the pyramid is one-to-one sessions with your student base, which you charge. You charge extra for the group sessions, mastermind, and the top of the pyramid when it comes to cost is the one-to-one. This is a very successful model, totally legit. And after you've launched your course successfully and you've proven that your course provides answers to your niche audience, they are normally very acceptable to group and one-to-one coaching. So a lot of the people that we've helped have increased their revenue considerably by these factors. A new one that has come on my radar and I've been doing research and I'm excited about, it's still early days in my opinion, is AI agents, which are basically offering services or solutions that you can offer to the student base at extra charge. Like I say, These are early days for that. There are some platforms that I'm testing at the present moment myself. Um, the what you can actually build is improving quite considerably. It's improved over the last couple of months. You don't need programming knowledge. You do need to understand the concepts of APIs and how different digital agents communicate with one another. But I can see real possibilities here that you could offer extra subscription or one-off payments for AI agents that you built that solve specific problems to your student base. I can clearly see that. That I feel is really exciting. But like I say, it's early days, but I will be coming back to you more about this because I really think it's exciting. So I've given you about 3 to 4 specific areas where you can actually increase the income of your membership website. If you found this useful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I've written an article. You find the link in the video description that goes into all this in even more detail. And if you want a one-to-one chat with me, you find the link in the video description as well. And the first half hour is totally free, folks. So if you want any more knowledge in this subject, you can book that with me. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.